Hey YouTube. So today I'm gonna show y'all a highly requested video. It's been requested ever since I've been started, like before I started YouTube. Everybody always wanted to know how I did my high slick bun. So I'm gonna show y'all. So what you're gonna need is some Eco or any type of gel, doesn't matter. 3 hair ties. These are the thick ones for thick hair, and obviously I've been using these two because compared to this one, yeah. Brush, Denman brush, and then toothbrush, you know, or edge brush, or whatever you use for your edges. If you don't do edges, you don't even need it. And you may need water. So basically, before I started this video, I had already wet my hair because I had my hair slicked down yesterday and last night, whatever. So I wanted to prepare my hair for the video, so I just wet it. And yeah, my hair needs to be dyed because this is ridiculous. So yeah, well, this is what I do. I just brush my hair all around towards, there's nothing on the brush, but this is towards where I would do it, the way that the hair would lay. At this point, I would wet my hair. If it was like completely dry. But yeah, and now I take the Denman brush and I smooth out the things on the inside. Okay. So once you did that all around, you can do it in the front too if you want, just a little bit. So once I do that, I look crazy. And I'm gonna take my Eco. This is the big tub. Not a lot of people have this, but you know, it's lasts me. I've had this, I don't know, for mad long. I'm about to get another one, but take your Eco or any gel, and I just go around the perimeter of my hair. I don't even brush it down yet. I go around the perimeter of my hair. And I put it everywhere. I use a lot of gel. I use a lot of Eco when I do buns.
If that guy was 2 feet over, he would have been dead. That's
Okay. So now I put it all over. Now I'm gonna take my brush and smooth it out. So I start in the front. My mom called me. So I brush towards like really high. So like I'm in my head, I want to put the ponytail right here. Right here. I know when I do it. Shut up and go over there. Anyways, everybody calling me. So in my head, the ponytail would be right here. So that's where I'm gonna brush. It seems a little high, but wait till it comes out. It'll look better. Sound better, whatever. So yeah, and if you want, you can add more water to your hair, but it's okay. So yeah, I brush all around. I'm brushing all around and brushing all towards the top. So this is where I say like I focus on the back a lot more. So I'll put more gel.
so lucky. The freaking boulder missed your house completely. How do you get that lucky? It's a random boulder. That is really scary that can happen. Just imagine you just chilling in your house, reading a book.
And then I use the brush, the Denman brush.
Goes straight to your
I'm
house.
gonna smooth it out. So yeah. So smooth it out. Once you finish doing that, go back with this. Okay. And now you're gonna take your two. I put it on my right hand, whatever, just to make it easier. And I'm gonna keep on smoothing it out. And like I said, my hair was wet before this, so it's just a little easier for me. So you're gonna grab it with your other hand, opposite hand, and you're just gonna smooth it into a ponytail. So now, once you get that done, it should be pretty tight. You can put your ponytail as high as you like it. I like it, like, I like to try to put it as forward as possible, as long as, like, you know, not right here obviously, but like right here. Sometimes when I do it right here at first, I tighten it and it goes back there, so I know like how my hair works and how it'll be. But you're gonna tie the two ponytails around tight. Emphasis on tight. And I like to do it 3 times. It's a little hard, but makes it tighter. Okay. And now I look crazy. Okay. And then I'm just gonna tighten it. And I tighten it in the back the most because that's where it is loose, where it looks loose. And then for extra security, I'm just gonna put more gel. More gel. Now, the bun is tight, real tight. I'm just gonna smooth out a little more if you want to. I usually wait till after. And now, you're gonna take your third, and you're just gonna wrap your hair around itself. So, let me show you what I like to do. Just fix my camera. Okay, so I go around and wrap it around itself, just like that. And sometimes I leave it. Sometimes I leave it with no hair tie, and I put like little what are they called? Bobby pins. But today I don't know where I'm going, so I'ma just use this for extra security. And oh no, and I have work today, so yeah. Okay. Okay, now it looks like a hot mess, but we're just gonna fan it out and make it even, and I just move it to my liking. So okay, so we're not done yet. Once I get my bun the way I like it, I do my edges with a toothbrush. This is a Ultra B. Never did I just say Ultra, I meant oral. Regular toothbrush. And do your edges. So, anyways, so I just tap my toothbrush in my gel. Choo choo, tap tap tap. It kind of looks like a portal from Rick and Morty. Anyways, so yeah. So I usually just put everything down before, you know, before I do everything else. Before I start styling it. I like to take this down too, because it'd be looking crazy if I don't. And the way I like to do my edges is, you know, I like to swoop them or whatever. So I'm gonna try to do this on camera, because baby girl, it's hard. It's really hard, but whatever. So I'm gonna just grab extra gel just in case I need, because I know I'm gonna need. I've been doing my edges since like I think I started doing my edges 7th grade, but I got more into it 8th grade, and it looked terrible. But I'm glad I got practice now, because now they don't look terrible. But yeah, I used to do too much edges. Like, it wasn't even edges, it was just like broken hair, and it was just bad. It looked bad. So I have no really, like, I really don't have no certain way I do my edges all the time, like a set way. So I can't really like say how I do it. You just watch, okay? You just watch. It's hard to kind of explain. I mean, you brush and then I like smooth it out with my hand, because like that gel be like mad built up. Smooth it out with your hand, my finger, and then I just swoop it and I hold it down kind of. Just make sure it's not up. Oh, and the way my edges are, like, that's one thing that is always like that. So my edges kind of like have like a natural split right there. So I push these edges that way, and then, because if I try to do it all like in the middle or whatever, it looks like crap. Like literally, it looks terrible. So I don't. And yeah.
Bro, chill. Chill. You know what? I'm gonna try this tactic. Ready? That was amazing. I've never tried that before, but I know like pros do that. It worked perfectly. I gotta do that more. That is so cool. Okay. That is cool. Another thing that does is better. I say, one, get it!
Let's get it. You know the vibe.
I thought you said you were recording a video.
I am recording a video.
Then why are you saying you know the vibe?
Because you know the vibe. Period. So now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'll be back. I gotta record an outro, and I don't wanna, cause it's too much work, baby girl. So this is the finished product. But yeah, I can't find my lip gloss. Finished my eyebrows. I had to do my eyebrows. Cause girl, the eyebrow lady messed up my eyebrows. I have to wait till they grow out, so now I have to do my eyebrows all the time. Good for me. But yeah, this is the finished product. Vogue.